and welcome to Make Easy. And today I'll show you a data set. A data set is about a Redfin properties data set which having more than 1 million records. So we can download it from crawlfields, and can you visit crawlfields.com and you can see data sets, and you can see there Redfin USA properties dataset and Redfin Canada properties dataset. And if you see Redfin USA properties dataset, which having more than 1 million records, it's more than 1 million records and around 20 data points like URL name, price, formatted price, and currency, address, locality, and all these property details and images, all the images that are listed, listed in Redfin and listed by, and when we scraped it, so you can all these you can get it from scrollfields.com. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching.